Hi guys, Frank here from Build Your Own. Today we're going to do a video covering the maintenance schedule for a third generation 2009 Toyota RAV4. Just so there's no confusion, a third generation Toyota RAV4 was made between 2006 and 2012. And real quick, before we actually get into this maintenance schedule for a third generation RAV4, I actually did a complete walk around of this exact 2009 Toyota RAV4. If you're interested in that video, I'll go ahead and put a link up in the corner right now. Okay, let's talk about maintaining your third generation Toyota RAV4. This one right here happens to be a 2009 Toyota RAV4 Limited, and like I said, I did a review video of it. I've already put a link up. So maintaining your third generation 2009 Toyota RAV4 according to the manufacturer recommendations will ensure that your vehicle coverage remains intact. You should keep detailed records of vehicle maintenance, including date of service, mileage at time of service, and a description of service and/or parts installation performed. The scheduled maintenance log that you can download in the description below can help you document this information. If you sell your RAV4, be sure to give your maintenance records to the new owner. Some of these third generation Toyota RAV4s may still be under warranty. That said, Toyota will not deny a warranty claim solely because you do not have records to show that you maintained your RAV4. However, damage or failure caused by lack of proper maintenance are not covered under warranty. Okay, let's talk maintenance providers. Maintenance and repair services may be performed by you or by any automotive service provider you choose. Toyota will not deny a warranty claim solely because you use a service provider other than a Toyota dealership for maintenance and repairs. However, damage or failure caused by improper maintenance or repairs are not covered under warranty. No surprise there. Let's talk about dealer recommended maintenance. Your dealer may recommend more frequent maintenance intervals or more maintenance services than those listed in the scheduled maintenance log. Have you seen that log? Let's look at that log here real quick. So this is one page of the maintenance log that you can download in the description below of this video. Now this maintenance log is for the 65,000 mile interval or 70,000 mile interval. This RAV4 has about 70,000 miles, which is why I replaced this. That's what I'm talking about. So it tells us here, there's certain things that get done at certain intervals for your car. The dealer may recommend more or less depending on your car's needs. These additional services are not required to maintain your warranty coverage should your third generation RAV4 still be under coverage. Ask your dealer to explain any recommended maintenance not included in the scheduled maintenance log. Oh, and I don't know if you caught this paint peeling on this third generation RAV4. Yeah, there's actually this paint is called Blizzard White Pearl, and it's actually a paint peeling problem. There's a known problem, paint peeling problem on third generation RAV4s. I did a video on this. If you're interested in that, you want to know more information, I'll put a link up to that video in the corner right now. It should come as no surprise that regular maintenance is essential to obtaining the highest level of performance for your third generation Toyota RAV4. It can also increase your RAV4's resale value. So taking a look at this sample maintenance log, this is page 14 that I actually printed off. This official maintenance schedule that you can download in the description below represents Toyota's maintenance recommendations in convenient checklists like you can see here, so you can easily see what type of maintenance your third generation RAV4 needs and document that work as performed. Right down here at the bottom, there's a space for you to write your documentation down here, even get a dealer stamp, all that there. It should come as no surprise that your third generation RAV4, to ensure that it receives first quality service and parts, Toyota recommends having maintenance performed by an authorized Toyota dealership. Toyota dealership technicians are experts on Toyota vehicles, and they use genuine Toyota parts. I'm a guy that just happens to be real big on taking a car to the dealer. I just think they know the car the best. And so, yeah, I'm very pro dealer, so I'm all about that. Thing is, when you take your car into the dealer, you know it's done right. You know, you like to think so anyway, it's done right. These guys built the car, they know the car. So when you take your third generation RAV4, this one happens to be a 2009 RAV4 Limited. When you take it to a Toyota dealership, you can be confident that they will use genuine Toyota parts and have Toyota trained technicians that know exactly what to do to service this vehicle perfectly. Okay, let's talk miles or months. What do I mean by that? Should you get your Toyota RAV4, your third generation RAV4 service every so many miles or every so many months? How do you determine which one works best for you? Toyota recommends obtaining scheduled maintenance for your third generation RAV4 every 5,000 miles or 6 months, whichever comes first. For example, if you drive 5,000 miles in less than 6 months, you should obtain maintenance at 5,000 miles. Don't wait until 6 months. If at 6 months you have driven less than 5,000 miles, you should obtain maintenance at 6 months. Don't wait until 5,000 miles. Be sure to keep an eye on your mileage so that you obtain maintenance when recommended. If you are a low mileage driver, mark your calendar to remind yourself to obtain maintenance every 6 months. You need to document this investment. Your third generation RAV4, the maintenance you do, taking care of it, it's an investment. You need to document it. Remember down here, these spaces at the bottom for date, dealer service verification, all that stuff that you see down here, to help you verify that you've invested in proper maintenance. Each maintenance checklist includes space for your Toyota dealership to certify that you obtain genuine Toyota service for your vehicle, just like I showed you. This little dealer service verification area, the dealership will mark the dealer service verification area with a stamp that may be customized with the dealership's name. In addition to standard maintenance items, the maintenance log that you can download in the description indicates services that should be performed on RAV4s that are driven, third generation RAV4s that are driven under especially demanding conditions. These special operating conditions and their required maintenance items are clearly indicated in each chart. In addition to scheduled maintenance, your third generation Toyota RAV4 requires ongoing general maintenance such as fluid checks and visual inspections. This right here is the maintenance, this is the owner's manual right here that we're looking at. And these procedures that I was just talking about, these additional maintenance procedures, they are explained in the vehicle maintenance and care section of the owner's manual. If you don't have the owner's manual for your third generation RAV4, you can very easily Google this information. It's very easily readily available. Be sure to perform these procedures regularly to ensure the most trouble-free operation of your third generation Toyota RAV4. Okay guys, you know what? I think we covered everything. We totally went over the maintenance schedule and the maintenance requirements for your third generation Toyota RAV4. You can download the maintenance schedule in the description below. The maintenance schedule goes from 5,000 miles all the way up to 120,000 miles. It talks about additional services. It has explanation of all the services and all that stuff. So yeah, that whole maintenance log, you can download it in the description. And yeah, I think we covered everything. So if you found this information informative, entertaining, or helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Other than that, I'm going to tell you to have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the very next video.